Folks, gather round, forget Area 51, China's got secrets and they ain't aliens. They're making America's transportation look like a horse-drawn buggy. We're talking flying cars, robot taxis, the works. Remember when Tesla was the big deal? China's like, Ho my Tsing Tao, they've got electric SUVs doing donuts in the Yangtze River. That's right, the BYD Yangwang U8 can float. It's also got a tank turn, because parallel parking is 2024. Meanwhile, we're stuck in traffic, in our gas guzzlers, arguing about which way to go when the GPS glitches. China? They built a freaking SkyTrain in Wuhan. 10 miles, 200 passengers, 7 months. We can't even get a pothole fixed in 7 months. Hold on, it gets wilder. Imagine hailing a drone like an Uber but in the sky. That's the EHang 216. It's basically a giant drone taxi with 8 propellers. Don't worry, it's electric, so your commute won't kill the planet. Just maybe a few low-flying birds. Kidding, mostly. And forget heated seats. China's got the NIO ET9, a luxury sedan that literally shakes the snow off its roof. That's right, no more scraping ice with your credit card. Unless you're trying to pay for this car, it'll cost you. But wait, there's more! The Lazarus LMV 496 is a motorcycle that transforms into a flying machine. You know, for when you absolutely positively have to get to Starbucks before they close. It's like something out of Transformers, but less Shia LaBeouf, more dumplings. And it doesn't stop there. Autonomous robotaxis, self-driving pods, even a robot that turns into a scooter. China's throwing everything at the wall and it's all sticking. Except maybe for that scooter robot. That one's still a work in progress. So, what's America's response to all this futuristic fun? Well, we're still arguing about whether climate change is real and if roundabouts are witchcraft. Meanwhile, China's out there building the Jetsons garage. Look, I'm not saying we should all pack up and move to Beijing, but maybe, just maybe, we could learn a thing or two from our friends across the Pacific. Like, how to build a decent high-speed rail system, or a flying motorcycle, or at least a car that shakes off snow.